Beneath the surface of sandy soil, an extraordinary transformation unfolds when nature's raw power meets the earth. When lightning strikes a beach or desert, its searing energy, reaching temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, surges through the ground. In a fraction of a second, grains of quartz-rich sand are fused together, melting and cooling so rapidly that they form hollow, glassy tubes called fulgurites. These delicate structures twist and branch like the roots of a tree, tracing the exact path the lightning took beneath the Earth's surface. Though the lightning strike itself is brief, the fulgurite it leaves behind can endure for thousands of years, hidden until uncovered by chance or erosion. Scientists study fulgurites not only for their unique beauty, but to gain insight into the immense energies carried by lightning and the geological processes that shape our planet. Each fulgurite stands as a silent record of a single powerful moment, an unlikely fusion of sky and earth. If you appreciate exploring the quiet marvels of our world, consider subscribing for more thoughtful educational videos.